Okay, this is statement of profit and loss account or profit and income statement, which will be asked for 6 marks. Okay, this or preparation of balance sheet can be asked. So first let me teach you how to prepare statement of profit and loss. So the question will be like this: from the following information, prepare statement of profit and loss for the year ended 31/3/2018 as per Schedule 3 of Companies Act 2013. Revenue from operation 5 lakhs, purchase of goods, salaries, salary to employees, leave encashment, rent and taxes, repairs to machinery, tax. So when they give information like this and ask you to prepare a statement of profit and loss account, you need to first write the format. The format will be like this: you will write the heading statement of profit and loss account or income statement for the year ended 31/3/2018. Particulars, note number, amount. Okay, first item will be revenue from operation, which is also called as sales. Okay, so revenue from operation, other income. When I total these two, I get total revenue. From that you minus expenses. The expenses are cost of material consumed, purchase of stock in trade, change in inventories, employee benefit expense, finance cost, depreciation and amortization, other expenses. Total all this, that will give you total expenses. Call that as B. A minus B will give me profit before tax. Deduct tax from that will give you profit after tax. So this is the format which is also important and useful for your 12 marks when we do comparative or common size. So you need to know the format. Okay, yeah. Now going back to the question, just check what is given in the question. If items are given directly, you can just copy paste the numbers from the question. If not, you need to prepare a small working note, do the calculation, that is the totaling it, and then copy paste in the format. Okay, now first one, revenue from operation. Okay, before I start with the sum, I'll tell you what will come under each of the headings. Now revenue from operation is sales. So most of the cases the question will directly give you sales or revenue from operation, then I copy the number directly. If not, they will give cash sales, credit sales and returns. So cash sales, and if cash sales and credit sales is given, you take cash sales, you will prepare a small working note wherein you will take cash sales plus credit sales minus returns. Copy that number. Okay, call that as note 1 and copy the note number 1. Then if it is given directly, you can directly copy the amount. Other revenue, if it's other income, will be given directly in the question, copy that number. Okay, cost of material will also be given directly in the question. When they say purchase of stock or purchases, take that amount directly. Change in inventory is the changes in opening stock and closing stock, which again will be given directly in the question, or if they might not give. Then employee benefit expenses, all that is connected with employees, that is anything related to employees will come here, like salary, leave encashment, bonus, provident fund, wages, anything related to workers or employees will come under employee benefit expense. Finance cost, you will have mainly 3 items coming under it. One is interest on loan, interest on borrowings, interest on debentures. So when you find such items in the question, prepare a small working note for finance cost, copy total all those numbers and take it here. Okay, then depreciation and amortization. When depreciation on machinery, depreciation on furniture is given, take that total and copy it, along with amortization of goodwill. When you find such items in the question, you prepare a small working note, take the total and copy it here. Then other expenses. So other than other than what, if there are any items which you doesn't come under these, which you can't group under employee benefit, finance cost or depreciation, then it will come under other expenses like rent and taxes, repairs to machinery, insurance, all such items, bad debts, all such items will come under other expenses. Then when you total all these expenses, you get total expenses, call that as B. Now A minus B will give you profit before tax. Deduct tax, that will give you profit after tax. This is the format. Now let's see what will go under each of it. Now revenue from operation. Revenue from operation is 5 lakhs. So where is revenue from operation? Here. So what will I do? I will directly write 5 lakhs here. You don't have to do any working note, just copy it. Okay, next, purchase of goods is again given directly, which is 3 lakh. So I copy where is purchases here. So under purchases I take 3 lakh. Okay, before that, just see what, just to have a glance of what will come under which of it. Revenue from operation, you have it. Purchase also is given directly. Salary to employees is nothing but your employee benefit expense. Leave encashment is employee benefit expense. Rent and taxes will come under other expenses. Repairs to machinery will come under other expenses. Tax, you will take it here. So there is no other income, so I will put dash. So revenue from operation is 5 lakhs, other income dash, so your total revenue will be 5 lakhs. Then cost of materials is not given. Purchases 3 lakhs, I just took it. Change in inventory is not given. Employee benefits, you will have to prepare a working note. So how do I do a working notice? You will call that as notes to accounts. Okay, notes to accounts. So the first working that I want to find out is employee benefit expense. So you will write employee benefit expenses. Okay, now what will come under that is, you will have particulars amount. Okay, what and all items will come there? Salary to employee and leave encashment. So just copy those two. So salaries to employees, which is given as 40,000, leave encashment, which is 10,000. So when I total it, I get 50,000. Okay, this is nothing but your note 1. Employee benefit is your note 1. So you will write here note 1, and what is the total? 50,000. Next, finance cost. Do I have any item in finance cost? No. I told you interest on loan, interest on borrowing, debentures is your finance cost. There is no such item here. So it's dash. Depreciation and amortization, there are no items on depreciation amortization, so dash. Other expenses, yes, we have 2 items, rent on taxes, repairs to machinery. So you need to do second note, which is your other expenses. Again, you will have particulars amount. Now what and all will come under other expenses? You have rent and taxes 30,000. So write rent and taxes 30,000, and one more item is there, repairs to machinery 20,000. So write repairs to machinery 20,000. So when I total it, I get 50,000. So copy it in your other expenses as 50,000. Okay, yeah. So what will be your total expenses? Only these 3. That means the slot, this is your expenses. So when I total all this, I get total expenses. So 3 lakh plus 50 will give me 4 lakhs. Okay, yeah. Now profit before tax is what? Your total revenue, which is 5 lakh minus 4 lakh, which will give me 1 lakh. So this is your profit before tax. Now less tax. How much is the tax given in the question? 30%. So it will be 30% on your profit, which is 1 lakh on that 30%. So you charge 30% on your profit, which is 30% will give me 30,000. Okay, so profit before tax minus tax will give me profit after tax, which is 7 lakh. That is 1 lakh minus 30,000, 7 lakh. Okay.